Marketing Officer ng Maximum AK Corporation. Wala iba, Miss Bing Hudmuera! Okay, so ito na. Tawagin na natin, ha? Mid-year Top 20. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to Gemma Hernandez ng Archers International. Ikaw pala yan, Mujaira. Congratulations, ha? Galing mo naman. Congratulations. Please remain on stage. Your top 19 Rio Road International. No one takes the noise. Remain on stage lang muna. Ayan, dyan ka lang muna. Okay?
Galing.
Congratulations, ha? Alright, next, congratulations sa ating top 18 for the mid-year, Cheryl De La Rosa. On behalf of Cheryl De La Rosa, andyan si Rick, no? Upline mo siya, okay. Congratulations. Ito, alam mo na, let's take a photo up with our COO. Let's move on. Top 17, mid-year, and this is Paula from Archers International. Congratulations, guys. Grabe ka. May 5 buwan pa tayo, para sa ating official top earners. Alright, let's move on to our official top 16. Make some noise for Genesis Arce from Snipers Philippines.
Congrats!
Galing! Congratulations, brother!
Grabe!
Congratulations! Let's take a photo with our Chief Operating Officer, Miss Bing Hudmuera. Now let's move on to our top 15. Congratulations to Renenda Gallo from Team Abu Dhabi Archers International. Johnny Gonone! Congratulations, Johnny! Ang taas ng ranking mo, ah! Partner, ha? Mga bagong pangalan ng mga pumapasok ngayon, ha? Ang bibilis, ha? Let's move on to our top 13, ladies and gentlemen. Clarence Lee from Titans International Cebu. Dahil na ng top 12 natin si Priscilla Tagala, Green Dragons International.
Congrats!
Wow, siya pala yun. Ang taas ng ranking ni Mama. Let's take a photo. There you go. Let's take a photo together with our COO. Sama-sama mo. Meron pa tayong top 11. Tawagin na natin, partner. Tawagin